I would definitely suggest this training if you want to have efficiency in your company and to have an understanding of the communication that's going on amongst your, whether it be the senior managers, middle managers, if not even among your whole staff. Best be advised to take this course for sure.
Everything is top class. Everything you need is there when you need it.
I would say also that the CRG training opportunity gave us an opportunity to meet people from all around the world and network with like-minded professionals.
It was pretty well the best workshop that I've ever taken in my life.
Are you a consultant, coach, trainer, seminar company that really wants to make a difference with clients, but just wondering what are the resources that will help take your business and you to the next level? Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Keys. I'm here to talk to you about a solution, a possibility that would be able to take your business and you to the next level, and that's CRG Assessment Systems Certification Workshop. We help individuals who are professional developers that serve clients to help take their people to the next level with tools and resources that build your credibility, that add to your offerings, that add to your ability to be able to serve your clients. You know, a lot of times as individuals or even as large companies, there are many resources that have taken years to develop that you could access that help you accelerate the work that you're doing, get better results with your clients, be able to, again, as I mentioned, have credibility with them because of the professionalism. And that's really what CRG is about. CRG was founded in 1979 by Dr. Terry Anderson. I've been around Consulting Resource Group now for 27, 28 years. And I actually was in your place where I was a consultant and a coach and a seminar leader and a trainer. And CRG was one of my mainstays as far as the impact I was having with my clients, many of them Fortune 100 companies. So CRG was able to do all the work and the research in the printing and the online development for me to be able to impact my clients while I maintained relationships. You know, the research around success as a coach or success as a trainer is a lot of individuals that go into this industry fail. And so why is that? What's the reason? What are the reasons that people fail? Well, sometimes they haven't perfected their materials before they get out there, or the materials really don't make them look professional. The other one is the content that really is not your expertise, and so we fake it. And there used to be a saying, fake it before you make it, but in this field, you know what, you need to be professional. So what CRG does, and we have a whole set of tools and resources that we make available to other professionals like yourself so that you can serve your clients, stay focused on the relationship. And the other thing is when you think about development of tools, CRG now, as I mentioned, has been around since 1979. It has taken us millions of dollars and nearly 4 decades to put together all the content in print and online to make it available to you, the professional. So if you are developing your own materials, guess what you're doing? You're not out there delivering. You're not out there earning income or revenue as part of that option. So my encouragement to you is that you would consider CRG assessment certification for multiple reasons. One of them is to be able to have all these tools and resources to serve your clients better. And you can integrate them into workshops, into one-on-one coaching, into talent management solutions, into online, into whatever format. Maybe you're going to create an e-learning course, and you just want to use a personal style indicator that makes sense for you. Or you want to develop one that has value. So that's one of the other things, is because we have an entire set of tools, not just one or just a couple, you have a lot of variety to be able to serve your clients. So if you're looking at leadership skills, then we have a solution there. Or if you're in education and think about learning and instructional styles. Or if you're a health and wellness expert, then we have the stress indicator and health planner. So we have all kinds of different solutions. And then once you've done one, you're not stuck and said, well, sorry, that's all I do. I have other things that I can offer. The other thing that professionals say to us is when they come to training, they realize that we are developing them. So I always say in my sessions is that our ability to serve is equal to or less than our own development. So when individuals attend our 3-day certification, even though you're learning about all these tools and all these resources, we take you through the process. You become a better consultant. You become a better coach. You become a better leader as a result of attending this session. Now, on top of that, one of the things that happens, especially the individuals if you have a smaller firm, is that we need to think about what are the revenue sources? Where's the leverage in the relationship? So CRG really sees ourselves as a partner with other professionals globally, and that's what we do. And so if we want to customize a cover and put your client's logo on the front, or if you go to the online reports and be able to have your logo and your client's logo on those reports, or if you want to be able to take and complete our tools just on your phone or be mobile friendly, all of these resources are available to you. We even put a checklist together of the different things that are here for you to be able to serve you to help your business grow, help you grow, and help generate more revenue. The other thing that I mentioned as a solopreneur before I bought Consulting Resource Group is that what happens if you're a coach or a trainer or you own a small business and for whatever reason you get ill or you get injured and you can't work? Well, our recommendation is, and we cover that in the afternoon of day number 3 in our program, is that one of the things we want to encourage you is that you would develop residual or passive income. And CRG's tools and resources can apply to that, where we pay you referral fees, where you can be at home or you could be in the beach or you have a lifestyle that really serves you and your family, and we just send you a check. We have one of our individuals, I can't go in and share his name, but many years ago, he referred us to one of the largest seminar companies in the world. They took our tools, integrated it into their workshops that they provide to CEOs and CEOs and leaders all around the world. And what we do is we just send that individual his check or his referral fee every month. Now for several years, we've paid his mortgage every month. What would that mean if that was a possibility? The other one is if you're not into creating some of these tools and resources and you just love working with the clients or delivering programs, you're not burdened by creating all these tools and resources that we have spent years and millions of dollars doing. The other thing with having a congruent set of tools is you don't create confusion with your clients. So if you want to use our values or personal style or leadership, they all work together as a system that serves you and serves your client. You know what? CRG has a track record of having an 80% switch rate to our tools once they understand the differences. Boy, that's the kind of credibility that you would have, that you'll be able to share with your clients and say, what are these tools? Where do they come from? The other thing recently is that HR.com has acknowledged our certification, our workshop, and our leadership is one of the top 5 companies in the world providing the certification workshop, but as far as our leadership materials. So you can share that with your clients as far as borrowing our credibility in those that you're going to serve. You know, I want to encourage you, as the individual has been conducting this workshop for the last 10 years, is that you also will connect with colleagues. You will have an affinity with other people that are making a difference in the world just as you are. And so I want to encourage you to consider to join us for the next certification. You know, we even provide a guarantee. If you've been here for the 3 days and you feel that this event has not served you, then you've just been our guest. And we thank you. Just leave your materials and then we will just refund everything 100%. You know, one of the things that we want to challenge our clients is to grow and to learn. And there was a study done. What was one of the #1 factors that contributed to the best coaches, consultants, trainers? And they're the ones that are doing the learning themselves. So when was the last time you went to a program? When was the last time that you invested in yourself? The other thing is our environment is so developmentally focused, is that you are now really giving a gift to yourself to develop yourself so that you can take your business and yourself to the next level. If you want some more information about how certification can serve you, then just click any of the links on the screen or call the number that's on the screen or on this page. But in the meantime, we look forward to many of you who are watching this joining us for our next certification and becoming part of the CRG family. I'm Dr. Ken Keys, and thank you for watching.
We spend tons of money on all kinds of things that are consumables, and we spend very little money on stuff that's going to help us grow and become better at what we do. So in a sentence, just find a way to get here. Find a way to be a part of something like this, whether it's a small scale or the 3-day or whatever it is, because I think the learning experience itself is life-giving.